Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to show you a video that I have made of less than a minute, so you can see that cheap is expensive, especially in terms of car mechanics. In the video you will see two damper or crankshaft pulleys, one that is a white brand, very cheap, and the other completely busted, but it was the original of the vehicle, which has lasted almost 300,000 kilometers. The original, on the other hand, the white brand has not arrived 3,000 kilometers away. Of course, imagine, disassemble again the white label and install the original one that brings the vehicle, labor and others. Waste of money. Okay, I'm going to pass the video to you so you can see it. See here, the brand, busted, is busted, it has all that crack, and the owner told us that he was bringing it to the workshop, that the whole car was vibrating and he did not know what was wrong. So what is going to happen to him? From the beginning who took it was already vibrating more than normal. This one, it took a lot to get it out, and yes, the original, I already said that this one was over 300,000 kilometers. As you can see, what you see is burst, that rubber. I made a video about it, that is the crankshaft shock absorber, which is what is usually revealed. You see, as I say, this one burst, it cost a lot to remove it. The truth is, in the end, as I say, cheap is expensive. If I had assembled the original from the beginning, I would have saved the 50 or 60 euros that I pay for that, plus install it, more later remove it, but then put the original back on the engine, apart. Of course, he had to take two accessory belts, because of the vibrations. On one of the occasions the belt was about to come off, and he managed to put it on, but it was because of those vibrations, and the accessory belt was already touched with 3,000 kilometers, so that in the end, cheap is expensive. In these things, whatever the vehicle, especially the pulleys of the crankshaft that withstand a lot of pressure, it is best to put an original replacement. Well, there I leave you the video. I hope it has been useful, and if so, do not forget to give a like and your scrolls to the channel.